Have you ever felt overwhelmed by overgrown branches? Your backyard, once beautiful, now hidden under tangled limbs. You remember the laughter of family picnics under clear skies. But now the garden feels neglected and forgotten. You want to bring back those joyful days. But the thought of noisy, heavy chainsaws holds you back. Gasoline smells, confusing setups, endless maintenance. You wish for a simpler, safer way to care for your yard. Introducing the Oregon CS1500 electric chainsaw. Powerful yet quiet. No more disturbing the peace. Instant start, just plug in and go. No waiting. Forget about mixing gas and oil ever again. No more struggling with complicated assembly. It comes ready to use right out of the box. The 18-inch guide bar tackles thick branches with ease. Integrated PowerSharp system. Sharpen your chain in seconds. A simple pull of a lever, and you're ready to cut. No downtime, no frustration, just smooth cutting. Tool-free tensioning keeps maintenance quick and easy. Adjust the chain with a twist. No special tools needed. Automatic oiling keeps the chain running smoothly. Less friction means longer life for your chainsaw. Lightweight, ergonomic design makes every job comfortable. Safety comes first with the built-in chain brake. Low noise operation lets you work any time of day. No more worrying about waking the neighbors. UL certified for your peace of mind. Backed by a 3-year Oregon warranty, perfect for homeowners, DIYers, and passionate gardeners. Reclaim your outdoor space with confidence. Imagine your garden, vibrant and inviting once again. Children playing under the trees you've cared for. Friends gathering for a summer barbecue. Pride in every branch you trim, every flower you plant. Oregon CS1500 makes yard work effortless and enjoyable. Spend less time working. More time making memories. Let your backyard become a place of joy again. Choose safety, power, and simplicity for your home. Don't let overgrown branches steal your happiness. Bring your garden dreams to life today. Oregon CS1500, the heart of a beautiful backyard. Order now and rediscover the joy of your home.